Listen to the hum of that corner neon light. Seen, not heard until there's no one else in sight. Tires hiss on the asphalt as the car goes passing by. These are sounds of a small town on a hot summer night. Train rolling down the track picks a rhythm that feels right, and you can hear that whistle still, even though it's out of sight. With the silence drawing near, once again I hear those sounds of a small town on a hot summer night. Sounds from the backseat of my Chevy, the shadows dancing from the sunset light. Wet from sweat, oh ain't she pretty. We made love that night, and we were sounds of a small town on a hot summer night. Said we were sounds of a small town on a hot summer night. Can't go back, it's not the same, and it's a pity. Oh, how those nights, they felt so right. Miss those nights, miss those sounds, miss my Chevy, miss those shadows coming from those sunset driving lights. Sounds from the backseat of my Chevy, the shadows dancing from the sunset light. Wet from sweat, oh ain't she pretty. We made love that night, and we were sounds from a small town on a hot summer night. Said we were sounds from a small town on a hot summer night. No neon light, no train tonight, no shadows from those sunset lights. I miss those sounds of a small town